Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video. And do you know what? Before this channel, I had another channel. Or I suppose say we had another channel, me and some of my friends. And not just had, we still have it, but we don't regularly post in it. So in that channel, the channel name was is R-Type Production. So in that channel, we used to launch songs, recitations, some films and all. So whenever we do like songs and recitations, we used to put like audio visualizers, that's rounded audio visualizers that we see everywhere in every stock musics, I think. Wide stock music, no, royalty free music videos. Okay, so you we used to put something like that. Now it making this type of video is really hard. You have to like bring in your audio, then match the theme thing with the After Effects and do that like all over again and again for every single video, because every single video have different length of audios. So that's a really cumbersome job, though it could possible to do with some templates and all. But still, opening up the whole After Effects programming is totally pain in the where, where. Okay, so I don't want to mention that, whatever. So today I have a really great wave app that does the same thing for us. And yeah, you don't have to open up your After Effects for this like simple purpose. To be honest, I also think that this is really simple job. Why can't we have a more simpler thing to do this? But now we have it. So I will just give you give you a straight overview of it. So let's just roll out an intro. So today we have our web app that is Reactor. Pretty cool name. And here you can obviously import your audio file. You can import a background video file, or images that you can like get from Pixabay. I think Pixabay is paid. I don't know. Yeah, I have seen many of them, like many of the user use this, but why it is coming in Chinese or Japanese, I don't know what the font it is. But I have seen many of the users is use this background. Okay, and it looks cool, to be honest. Whatever. So we are at Pix. You can choose from there and all. You can upload your own video. Then you can upload your audio, and then after that you can like play with all of those things, like overlay color. You can change it. You can change it to any color you want. Wow, it's giving is a low fit, I feel. Whoa. Isn't it great? Yeah, it is kind of, but I gonna stick to black, pure black. Then you can set the opacity as well. Oh, shimmering, whatever. Then you can set the visualizer as well, and you have plenty of option for visualizer. You can set it to horizontal or circular. Then you can choose color 1, color 2, then text color as well. And here is the music title, and here is the other. So it will edit both of those. So suppose music title is, I don't know. So the music that I use in oh, library, like YouTube libraries, suppose. So that is space age HUSTLE. Hustle. Hustle is this. Hustle spelling is this, right? Whatever, I don't know. Who is the author? I don't know. I never remembered. So can like set the bottom, like set this title everywhere in the space. You can do that as well. There are plenty of options, as you can see. And font, I don't really like that font. Yeah, this is good. To be honest, these have shit fonts. Yeah, whoever is the developer, please, I am telling you, this had totally shit fonts. Change it. At least we allow us to import Google fonts, because those are really bad, really really bad. Whatever, I can change the font size from here as well. As you can see, I can choose the font color and font shadow color as well. Then I can choose the effects. So you will, I will just like mute it right now, because I don't want to get copyright claims over this music. So you can see how this is playing. Okay, and we can control the effects from here. So if I don't want boom, I will not add it. Intensity, see intensity, how much it is reacting. Suppose I want little less intensity, yeah. And threshold. So intensity, what is intensity and what is threshold? So basically threshold is that point from which point it will trigger it. Okay, and intensity is obviously how much it will trigger. Suppose I am keeping it totally out of the bound, and oh, I haven't enabled it. Oh shit. Okay, wait, I don't want to keep that much of intensity. Whatever, then scan line. Oh, it is changing the background actually. If I, oh, I haven't enabled it. Oh, cool, isn't it? Oh, cool, really really cool. Whatever, dotted screen. Love it. I love it. Glitch, glitch. Woo! Yes, great. And you can set the video quality to 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720. And you can control the bitrate as well. So most of the time you will like control it, uh, uh keeping that in mind in which platform you're gonna upload it. So you should keep that in mind. Okay, whatever. So that's it. Yeah, render video. To render video, please use your own background image instead of video sample. Okay, I get it. So you have to use your own. Whatever, I'm not gonna upload it today, to be honest. Or we can upload a image as well. So let's see if I have some images or not. I should have though. If I have, I gonna, suppose I'm gonna use this one. So this was a tall image and it's like stretching it out. It's not looking good. Let's try another image that is of this size. But I can find something here in, suppose this. Let's just watch my whole image gallery and then upload it. Suppose this, yeah. Yeah. And I can restart it. Though it will not look good in it. I have to change the color and all. Suppose I can change it to brown. But whatever, why I'm doing it too much. Basically you get the point how to use it and all. Okay. So use it yourself and let me know if you like it or not, and if you're gonna use it or not. I will obviously use it for sure, because making it's so much easy to make such things, to be honest. So I will obviously use it, because why not? It's great, it's great. So yeah, that's my point of view. That's how not how I gonna use it, that's how I am hoping that how I gonna use it. So that's it. That's basically it about this whole site. And let me know if you know about some of the great web apps like this. And if you know like my channel in general, okay, like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And please subscribe, because 91.4% of viewers are not subscribed. You are viewing content but not subscribing. Why? Please do subscribe, man. So that's it for this video. Bye for now.